Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this email marketing passive income course. Previously, we have talked about key indicators for email marketing, indicators that you need to keep an eye on in order to keep a healthy business and in order to be able to optimize and ultimately to scale your business. Now, here are the things that you want to track and optimize when starting an email marketing business. First of all, you need to track your key indicators for email marketing, as we have previously discussed, especially your delivery rate, your bounce rates, your spam complaint rates, your unsubscriptions, your open rates, and your click-through rates. Then you need to try to track these indicators in this specific order because first of all, it's important for you to have a low bounce rate. That means that most of the people will actually receive your email. You need to keep a low spam complaint so that you are not blacklisted, and you need to keep a low unsubscription in order to maintain a good reputation for the email service you use. A good reputation will help you to also have a high delivery rate, which is what you ultimately want. Then the first things you need to take care of is lowering your bounce rates and spam complaints. Clean your list so you don't get a lot of bounces. Basically, you will eliminate the email addresses which are misspelled or which don't exist, and try to remove anyone from your list who doesn't want to get your emails. Okay, the people who are sending you messages back that they want to be unsubscribed, or make sure that your unsubscribe button works very well. After that, you can improve your open rates by using better subject lines and by testing different hours and days to send your campaigns, and also to improve your click-through rate by having better call to actions and content. Try to include your call to actions as early as possible in your emails, because that way you have better chances for people to actually click on your links. Now, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this made sense for you and that it will help you to track and to optimize your email marketing campaigns. Again, thank you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video. And